Kamayo na. Bay mo, bay.
Ikaw ray Banbay. Ikaw ray magkuha na to. Mag PowerPoint.
Ikaw share screen.
Ako'y mag-record.
Then ikaw screen record.
Oh.
Record. Sige.
Yun na imo microphone na.
Para ko.
Ano kayo sa
Dili na, easy na.
aga to ilang cent man ba silang rating?
Asa mo to? May naman nila.
Na.
Okay naman. Nga nga. Wala. Rabas mo sa ilang office.
Patay. Wala gibilin ko lang rating. Patay gid sila. Sige ra go na, continue na para wala problema. Grabe ito na. Pila ka microphone ng gaon?
Ay, mailan naman ang ikaw. Kaya naman.
Usa lang ka mic ng gaon. Go.
Of democracy.
Ayok, tayo natin.
Bro, yung Sugod na ko ha. The moral philosophy of democracy. Every political theory presupposes a broader philosophical principle on which it depends and of which it is a logical development. Thus, behind the political theories and teachings of communism or any other form of state absolutism stand the philosophical idealism of Plato and Hegel, or the materialism of Hobbes. Behind political individualism and liberalism is radical empiricism, which stresses the ultimacy and primacy of individuals' facts. Every system of government is an interpretation of the nature of man and his purpose. Democracy and communism, for instance, differ fundamentally because of their conflicting interpretations regarding the nature of man and his destiny. Hence, every form of government has its philosophical or psychological and moral basis. Our Constitution, the fundamental law of the land, is based on certain philosophical and moral principles, which have already been referred to, explained, and justified in the current portion of this book. This is not surprising since, as we have shown before, the laws of the state are derived from the natural moral law. The concept of the natural law played an important role the the thought of the founding fathers. It is inextricably bound with the complex of moral tenets on which the United States is founded, and because they are purposely intended to guide the action of the citizens and define their relations in the community. The moral principles underlying This democratic concept may be summed up as the democratic principles are basically moral and Christian because they spring directly from man's nature and the moral law.
Kailangan na. Go.
I'm so sorry.
Eh, kapit na malubat si Oliver. Oh. Kamay na lang kulang. Lubat na na.
In his book on two sources of morality and religion, Bergson emphasized the originally religious character of the democratical idea. Democracy
Aman, oh, ganun.
In his book on two sources of morality and religion, Bergson emphasized the originally religious character of the democratic ideal. Democracy, he says, is evangelic in its
Naka-install na ni Messenger.
essence and its motive power is love. Maritain,
Sabi nung Marites.
another French philosopher, holds that democracy is based on Christian's humanism. Follows human liberty, human rights, equality of all men, confraternity or brotherhood, common good, pursuit or happiness, authority and law, divine providence.
Kabutan na na siya.
Providence, ano? Providence.
Ma-open na.
Human liberty.
Microsoft na.
Man, as we point out before, enjoy a certain autonomy. He is, as we may describe him, to be an authentic being as distinguished from a thing which is heterocentric. A man is himself and can call himself me and his positions mine. A thing is always another's. A thing exists not as an end in itself but as a means. Man again, of all animals, can choose between courses of actions. He alone can say no, and the face of the greatest temptations or adversity. An animal, for example, cannot control its hunger. A hungry horse cannot cannot not eat it fresh grass its place before him. Equality of all men. This democratic principle is justified on the theoretic, theoretical grounds by means of the moral and the Christian's principle, which teaches that each individual, regardless of social or financial status and other distinctions, is a person and as such is equal to any other person. For all men have the same specific nature, the same origin, and the same destiny. From the Christian's point of view, all men come from God and will go back to Him, and therefore all are brothers and equal before God. Equality, as enunciated in the in the Constitution means equal opportunities, equality before the law, equal rights, and privilege. Confraternity, confraternity, since all have a common origin, a common nature, and common destiny. All are one members of the same community. This is the philosophy behind brotherhood, which finds expression its such democratic ideas as our country. Our ideals are children. This is also the idea behind the principle of the common good for being all members of one society. Men are united with communities of understanding, friendship, love, and the unity of purpose, authority, and law. Repres- Representative character of democracy. Moral power law, we have already shown that the laws of the state as they are in consonance with the natural law are binding and conscience. This is basic tenet of democracy as of any good government. A great problem of political philosophy is not on whim or on that ground or group of person that authority is to be vested, but on the source and justification of this authority. Do the people, will they invest certain men with authority to the role themselves, so that once the ruler or rulers have been put in charge, the people forfeit their rights to self-government since they have transferred the authority to their rulers and therefore passes by them alone? Or do the people, when they invest certain men with authority, conserve their rights and authority to rule themselves? The solution of democracy to this problem is found in the notion of representation or vicariousness by virtue of representation and vicariousness, the very right of the people to rule themselves, exercised by the officials whom the people have elected or appointed. The representatives of the people are mentioned or commissioned by the people to exercise authority because they are made by the people participants to some given extent in the very authority of the people. Two main points regarding the notion of vicariousness are the emphasize. In investing rulers with authority, the people in no way surrender the right to self-government. Number two, the representatives of the people are not merely instruments but rulers invested with real authority or right to govern. It may be asked, how can the people delegate authority and at the same time possess or keep the authority which they give to the rulers? We cannot give away a thing and have it too, but this is true only with regards to material things, not with such immaterial things as moral rights, authority, truth, and love. The beautiful paradox about immaterial realities as truth or love, for instance, is that the more they are shared or given to another, the purer and the more enduring they become to the processor. This thought is expressed in one of the characters in Romeo and Juliet. My bounty is as boundless as the sea. my love so deep, the more I give to the more I have for both are infinite. That's all. Thank you for supporting my reports.
Alright.
Kailan siya pag-report kay Gibas? Mas ano siya? Accept, decline. Ha? Accept?
Charot.
Decline?
Sa more tools, sa YouTube, kung ato man yung more tools, siya ipabutang tanan. Ang shortcut ani ba para automatic direct
Sila naman.
Sila nang video.
Na, kamo na po. Yun na yung kamo.
Tapos kaya tapos pa. Ano? Sa more
Late yung...
Pero?
Kami na po, kami.
Oh, kamo na.
Sige. Bye, Silwin. Dara, bye.
Oh. Sabi mo, goodbye.
Sa day na.
Ken.
Wait lang kasi na messenger.
Katubay.
Na screen record dito nila Jeff. Ah.
Pag screen record na bye.
Sila raw?
Oo.